to see here now. First I discuss unbiasing. What is the meaning of unbiasing? Means not connected to the battery for diode. That means diode does not connect the battery. That is called unbiasing. What is the meaning of biasing? Connect the battery. Okay. Today I discuss very important topic. First, to solve so many problems, the biasing is forward biasing. Here, look here. What is the forward biasing means? I take this is the diode nano. This is the diode nano. In the diode, this is the depletion region. Here holes. Here electrons. Structured region is nothing but the depletion region. This is the P region. This is the N region. In the P, majority charge carriers are holes. Minority charge carriers are electrons. In the N region, majority charge carriers are electrons. Okay. Minority charge carriers are holes. This is the diagram of the PN junction diode. Okay. Here forward bias means P is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. N is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Look here now. Here. This is the diagram. Once again I repeat, P is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. N is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. This biasing is said to be a forward bias. Simply called as P is connected to the high voltage. N is connected to the low voltage. This biasing is said to be a forward bias. Suppose this is the 5 volts, this is the 4 volts. This biasing, P is connected to 5, N is connected to 4. That means P is connected to high voltage, N is connected to low voltage. This bias is said to be a forward bias. Okay? Again, P is connected to 2 volt, N is connected to 0 volt. That means P is connected to high, N is connected to low. That bias also said to be a forward bias. Simply P connected to the high voltage, N connected to the low voltage. The biasing is said to be a forward bias. Okay? Here, because of positive, here hole is a positive. In the P region, majority is holes. Okay? Generally, discussion of majority charge carriers, because here positive, hole is positive, repel, that means moves towards the junction. In the N region, majority charge carriers are electron. Electron has a negative charge, negative terminal of the battery repelled by the electron, so electrons also moves towards the junction. That means both the here majority towards the junction. That's why the width of the depletion layer decreases. In the forward bias, what happens? The width of the depletion region decreases. Depletion region decreases. Okay? On the depletion region, a pseudo battery is nothing but the potential barrier. Width of the depletion region decreases, potential barrier also decreases. That means simply potential barrier also decreases. What is the functioning of potential barrier? To stop the diffusion of charges. Here potential barrier decreases automatically. Here majority charge carriers across the junction. Here majority charge carriers in the N region across the junction. Flow of charge in the substance is nothing but the current. And potential barrier decreases, automatically current flow in the forward bias increases. So that's why these currents are measured in the milliammeter. Forward bias current due to majority charge carriers nana, due to majority charge carriers, so that's why these currents are measured by using milliammeter. Milli means 10 power minus 3 amperes. What is the unit of current nana? Ampere. Nana, here these currents are measured by using milliammeter. Actually, in this forward bias, current produced due to majority charge carriers in the P region and majority charge carriers in the N region. But because of here apply potential difference, that means some heat also generated. Heat is a form of energy. That's why minority also jumps across the junction. But small current produced due to minority charge carriers, a large current produced due to majority charge carriers. In the forward bias, generally the current produced due to majority charge carriers, a very less current produced due to minority charge carriers. A majority charge carriers current is nothing but the diffusion current. A minority charges produce a current is called drift current. Here drift current is very less, but a diffusion current is very more nana. In the forward bias, current due to only majority charge carriers, a very less current produced in the minority charge carriers. In some cases, drift current is neglected. In some cases, drift current will be taken because of according to question. Okay, in the here current is measured in milliammeter. Okay, here nana, look here this diagram. This is the depletion region, this is the P region, this is the N region. Today I discuss forward bias. Forward bias means P is connected to positive terminal, N is connected to negative terminal. According to electricity, what is the direction of electrical field? Plus to minus. Here plus to minus nana. This is the applied voltage. Okay. Mari, what is the potential barrier direction on the depletion region? N to P. Okay, N region to P region. What is the net voltage according to diagram nana? Net voltage means applied voltage P to N, potential barrier always N to P, opposite direction. So that's why in the forward bias, what is the net voltage formula nana? V minus VB. Here V is called applied voltage, VB is called barrier potential. In the forward bias, what is the net voltage formula? V minus VB. Next nana, what is the formula for current nana? Current denoted by I nana. We know the Ohm's law in the 10th class. What is the Ohm's law? V equal to IR. According to that formula, I equal to V net by R. Here R is resistance. Resistance means oppose the flow of current. Here nana, what is the net voltage in the forward bias? V minus VB by R. In the forward bias, what is the current formula nana? V minus VB by capital R. Here capital R indicate resistance in the circuit. Resistance means oppose the flow of current. Okay? Flow of current ఏం చేస్తున్నది? Oppose. Next nana, I give one diagram. Look here. This is the symbol of PN junction diode. Generally, actually write in this manner, Nana. Here. This is circuit symbol of PN junction diode. Okay, Nana. This is the symbol of PN junction diode. In the PN junction diode symbol, this is P, Nana. This is called what, Nana? N. Here I connect the resistor, external resistors capital R. It is battery, Nana, plus minus. This is the symbol of battery. It is connected to here, Nana. Okay. Here in the diagram, what is the biasing? This biasing is P is connected to positive terminal of the battery. N is connected to negative terminal of the battery. This biasing is said to be a forward bias. Forward bias. Nana, generally electricity power developed formula is V into I. Simply voltage into current. In the forward bias, what is the net voltage? V minus VB. Applied voltage minus barrier potential. I is the current. This is the formula for power developed in the circuit. Next again, I discuss kinetic energy required to move a hole from P side to N side. Here, look here, Nana. This is the general diagram. P, N, P low majority holes, N low majority electrons, P low minority electrons, N low minority holes. Okay, here the question is kinetic energy required hole move from P side to N side. Kinetic energy according to electricity formula is Q into V. Okay, here Q and charge, Nana. Today I discuss A bias, forward bias. Hole move avalante em kalapali plus positive repeat. So forward bias net voltage is V minus VB. Okay, kinetic energy unit is joule. Okay, here Q remove chesam anukondi, V minus VB. Idigo nana Q into joule. This is called EV. Nana, yesterday I discussed 1 EV ante 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Okay, Nana, here Q value, charge of the electron value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. It write as simply EV, and Q into joule write as EV. EV is electron volt. What is the two formulas for kinetic energy? Kinetic energy first formula is Q into V minus VB. Okay, in terms of joules. Kinetic energy direct formula for in the forward bias is V minus VB EV. Okay, now here it write Q into V net write as electrical field. Just I discuss what is the relation between electrical field and potential equal to V by D. What is the V value? E into D. V write as E into D. This is the another formula to solve the problems. First formula here. In the forward bias, what is the net voltage? V minus VB. Here, look here. What is the forward bias net voltage? V minus VB. Okay. Current formula V minus VB by R. What is the power formula? Voltage into current. In the forward bias, net voltage is V minus VB into I. Kinetic energy formula Q into V. Q into V net write as V minus VB in terms of joule. Q into joule write as EV. Okay, this is the formulas in the forward bias. In the forward bias, forward bias, holes moves from p side to n side, electrons moves from n side to p side. Once again I repeat, nana, in the forward bias, holes moves from p side to n side, electrons moves from n side to p side, okay. This is the forward bias. Hold. Next I discuss reverse bias. Reverse bias means P is connected to negative terminal of the battery, N is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Okay. Here nana, P is connected to, other definition, low potential, N is connected to high potential. For example, this is 4 volts, this is 5 volts. This bias is said to be a reverse bias. What is the reverse bias now? P is connected to low voltage, N is connected to high voltage. This biasing is said to be a reverse bias. Okay. Now here reverse bias means simply P is connected to negative, N is connected to positive. Here nana, this negative terminal repelled to the first I discuss majority because majority is a more charges. Here in the P region, majority charge carriers are what nana? Holes. These holes attracted by the negative terminal of the battery. That means all holes away from the junction. This is the junction, away from the junction. In the N region, majority charge carriers are electrons. These electrons are attracted by the positive terminal. So here also majority charge carriers away from the junction. That means automatically width of the depletion layer increases. What happens? Width of the depletion region in the reverse bias increases nana. Okay. And again potential barrier ఎక్కడ డెవలప్ అవుతుంది? On the depletion region width increases, automatically potential barrier also increases. That means potential barrier increases nana. So that's why here generally charge does not flow in the substance. In the P region we discuss minority charge carriers nana. Here minority, here low minus ఏమవుతుంది? Repel. దానివల్ల minority charge carriers across the junction. Here plus. In the N region, minority charge carriers is hole, it also repel. So in the reverse bias, current due to only minority charge carriers, current due to minority charge carriers. Minority means less charge. So these currents are measured in microammeter. Other forward bias currents are measured in milliammeter, because in the forward bias the current due to majority charge carriers nana. In the reverse bias the current produced due to minority charge carriers. Here minority across the junction, here minority across the junction. So in these currents measured in microammeter. Okay. Micro means 10 power minus 6 amperes. 10 power minus 6 amperes. What is the unit of current nana? Ampere, the scientist name. Other in the forward bias lo ఇక్కడ P దేనికి వెళ్ళాం? ప్లస్ రిపెల్ చేయడం వల్ల హోల్స్ అన్ని ఇటు మూవ్ అవుతాయి. ఇక్కడ మెజారిటీ అంతా ఇటు మూవ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇన్ ద ఫార్వర్డ్ బయాస్ కరెంట్ డ్యూ టు majority charge carriers. In the reverse bias, current due to minority charge carriers. In the reverse bias, what happens? The width of the depletion layer increases, and what happens? The potential barrier increases. Okay. Here some formulas I discussed now. Look here. Look here. This is the P region. This is the N region. P is connected to negative. N is connected to positive. What is the direction of applied voltage? Plus to minus. Okay, according to electricity. What is the potential barrier direction? N to P. According to diagram, in the reverse bias, what is the V and VB direction? Same. So that's why here net voltage in the reverse bias equal to V plus VB. The potential units in volts. What is the net voltage in the reverse bias is V plus VB. Here V is called applied voltage and a battery dwara vache voltage. VB is called barrier potential. Okay. Next I discuss one diagram. This is the symbol of diode nana. This is the symbol of diode. Once again I draw symbol nana here. Okay. This is P nana. This is N. Here this diagram PN junction diode. It is connected to resistance nana R. Okay. R. And again it is connected to the, this is the PN junction diode nana. This is the resistance. P is connected to the negative, N is connected to the positive. Nana, this biasing is said to be a reverse bias. Here P is connected to negative, N is connected to positive. That is, that bias is said to be a reverse bias. Nana. In the reverse bias, current flow, Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. Here V means V net. In the reverse bias, V net is applied voltage plus barrier voltage by R. Okay. Next, I discuss the power developed in the circuit. In the electricity, what is the power formula? Nana? Power formula is voltage into current. What is the voltage in the reverse bias? V plus VB into I. Okay. Here, what is the kinetic energy of hole? The kinetic energy of electron moves from P to N. Once again, I repeat, kinetic energy of electron moves from P side to N side. Electron moves from P side to N side means that is called reverse bias. Kinetic energy general formula Q into V. Q and electron charge E. Here net voltage in the reverse bias is V plus VB. Okay. Then here this problem solve. This will be joules. E into joules write as EV. But once again EV. Directly to take EV, what is the kinetic energy formula? V plus VB. Okay. In terms of joule, what is the formula? E into V plus VB. Here kinetic energy Q into V write as E into D. Okay. Here once again I discuss the some directions nana here. Look here nana. Okay. Look here. This is the P region. This is the N region. Here in the P region majority is holes, minority is electrons. In the N region, majority is electrons, minority is holes. Okay. Suppose it will be connected to reverse bias. Reverse bias means P is connected to negative, N is connected to positive. Okay. Here, this minus repelled by minority charge carriers. That means electron move from P side to N side and that is called reverse bias. Here, OR. Here minority is hole repelled. That means hole moves from N side to P side. The bias is said to be a reverse bias. Once again I repeat, electron moves from P side to N side ORR, hole moves from N side to P side, the bias is said to be a reverse bias. Okay. Once again I repeat, forward bias also nana. Look here nana. Look here. Here. This is the P region nana. This is the N region nana. Okay. In the P region, this is the N region nana. Okay. Look here nana. This is the P region, this is the N region. In the P, majority charge carriers are what nana? Holes. Minority is electrons. In the N region, majority charge carriers are what nana? Electrons. Minority is holes nana. Here, P is connected to positive, N is connected to negative. This bias is said to be a what bias nana? Reverse bias. Reverse bias, the bias is said to be a forward bias. P is connected to positive, N is connected to negative. This bias name under forward. This positive, weight and repel చేస్తుంది ఇక్కడ hole nana. So that's why ఇది hole, that means holes moves from P side to N side ante this is called forward bias. ORR, this minus electrons ఏం చేస్తుంది? Repel. So that means electrons moves from N side to P side ante that bias is said to be a forward bias. Okay. Next I discuss small formula nana. Look here, small concept. I take nana ideal diode. Ideal diode nana. Ideal diode. Here, this is the diode nana. Look here. Look here. This is the PN. This is the symbol of diode nana. For example, P is connected to positive, N is connected to negative. This bias name under forward bias. In the forward bias lo nana, current deni valla vastundi due to majority charge carriers nana. Inside ఉన్న depletion layer width decrease అవుతుంది, barrier also decrease, finally becomes zero nana. Barrier means opposition zero means its resistance, internal resistance of the diode becomes zero. When internal resistance of the diode becomes zero, the diode is ideal diode. Nana, given question is the diode is ideal diode. The resistance, internal resistance of the diode taken as zero. For example, here look here nana, this is the P nana, this is the N nana. Here P is connected to negative, N is connected to positive. This bias is said to be a reverse bias. In the reverse bias, what happens? The depletion layer width increases, potential barrier also increases. Potential barrier increase, automatically opposition is more, automatically further charge not flow, so internal resistance becomes infinity. That means in the reverse bias, no current flow. That means resistance becomes infinity, opposition infinity, current flow becomes zero. Ideal diode means, to see the question, ideal diode. In the forward bias, resistance becomes zero. In the reverse bias, resistance becomes infinity. That means the current does not allow in the reverse bias for ideal diode.